Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add music to Windows Media Player. So the first thing you want to do is click on the search tab, look up Windows Media Player, then click on the first one. So basically there are two ways you can add music. The first one is you want to click on Organize, Library Management, then Music. Then right here you can see change how this library gathers its content. Right here you can add any new location where your music can be. So you want to click on Add. For example, for me, I have a music directory in my documents, so I want to click on Documents, then I have Music, Include Folder, then click OK. Then if I go to my Music tab, I can see that I have my music. You can also do this by opening the File Explorer, go into where your music is located, then just dragging it into the Music app. So that's basically it. These are the two ways you can add music to your Windows Media Player.